So we finished this up last night. It's a little hard to, I have found that doing some of these construction type jobs is hard because I really want to show you, but you got to hold material with two hands and it's kind of a pain. But we've got it all done here. We've got the fascia on, and we wrapped it around the corner. As you can see, it's one piece that wraps around this way and then goes down. Now, I nailed it here on the bottom, which I like to do, but now I got thinking about it, I probably should have face nailed it because it's going to be hid with the gutter. Nobody's going to see it. But other than that, I mean, I'm happy with it. It looks good. And it's correct on both sides, as you can see. So, the plan for today, Carter's going to come with us, is to move the scaffolding around to the back side of the garage and get the last of the F channel up, a little bit of J channel up there at the top, and then get the rest of the soffit material up and finish wrapping the aluminum fascia and get that all done on, and we can call this roof and fascia project done. The other thing is I want to get these power washed today, and you can see they've got lots of mold. And hey, you just bumped the camera with your head there, you.
Papa, the poop is coming too.
Okay. All right. As you can see, there is mold on. This was the one that was on the north face. The other one's on the south face. But I mean, these gutters have been up for 20-something years, and they've got some aluminum corrosion on them. So what we'll do is we're going to power wash them down real good and spray paint them white, and basically we'll have almost brand new gutters. Yeah, it's better than spending a couple $100 to have somebody come out with a seamless gutter machine and put new gutters up. So project is coming along. We'll bring you back here in a little bit when we get started. Okay, we got the scaffolding moved around back, and Ray and my grandson Carter are currently, the scaffolding's moved around back, so we'll get started on that. They're currently getting set up to power wash. We moved the gutters off the wall here, and we brought them around to the driveway, and we're going to start power washing. All right, everyone. So, hey, Ray, we got to hit this end here. Okay. It still looks like crap, but 25, 30 years worth of crap washed off of here. We even washed the insides. It had 30 years of leaves and all kinds of stains. We got to get these ends a little bit better, but now that we got it washed, we'll let them dry and we'll spray paint them. We hit those ends, they look good now. Now we'll spray paint them, they'll look like brand new. We'll put them right back up. Morning, and welcome to another video and projects around on our continuing series of remodeling this garage. So I moved the gutters from over here off the wall where we had set them for the last couple of weeks to a couple sawhorses, and I have sanded them down. I went along and took dents out of them. I got a little bit more to do. They had some dents in some areas that the metal needed to be bent back. And then I went over it with a very coarse sandpaper to scratch a lot of that old finish off of there. I had areas where the aluminum started to get pitting on it, and of course it doesn't rust, but it does pit. A couple spots like that right there, there was a dent, and it actually had pushed out this way. So we tapped that back down into place, and I'm gonna wipe them down with a rag here, and then go ahead and put the first coat of spray paint on it. It's a little sunny, so it'll dry down this end a lot quicker than it will up the other end. But beautiful day out today. It's already, well, it's saying 111 in the sun, but it's about 85. Humid as all get out today, just like it was yesterday. So we'll get this done. So the back sides of these things look pretty ugly here where they were attached. So I'm going to get a 2x4 to put inside and just take a hammer and lightly tap them back. Got them looking a lot better on that back side. I mean, they aren't going to be perfect, but I didn't want to spend the money to put brand new gutters up when really there's nothing wrong with these. So we'll get them painted up. I did a light sanding on the back. I think I need to touch that up a little more. Kind of looks crappy. What do you guys think? It's got some stuff on it. It's really not, you're never going to see it because it's going to be against that fascia, but we'll give it a little protection. So let me go ahead and get that sanded up and I'll bring you guys back. All right, so I got everything sanded up. I'm just using a Rust-Oleum gloss white enamel. Wanted to get this top edge before I rolled it over to paint the rest of it. All right. So you can see where it's not painted, and then just that top's got down there. So. Look nice when it's done. All right, I'll bring you guys back when we're done. All right, I wanted to show you what we did. We finished this up, put the downspout, put the wind chimes up. Okay, we piped it into, this is called, here, I'll put it down here. It's just sewer pipe, 4-inch PVC. It's the thin wall stuff. Okay, it's not the Schedule 40 thick wall, and that is not necessary for that expense, but this pipe is a lot cheaper. I think it's like $10 a stick for like a 12-foot stick, which is exactly what you want. You don't need the heavy stuff. And then I spray painted over the letters. That red really shines through, so it'll take another coat or two. But we got the downspouts all in, and we've got it piped over. It's got the proper slope on it. Real easy job. I think this took maybe half hour, if at most, to do it. Kind of fun. Sorry I didn't get to film it. I was charging the battery. But the backside of the garage is done now. So, thanks for watching. If you like, leave your comments down below. Please subscribe. Thanks. We'll talk to you later.